Hello, welcome you all again in my channel. Today I will going to unbox push-up rod, or we can say push-up brackets. So this is the package I received. So this is the product itself. The box is literally very much damaged, but let's see how is the inside product. So this is the product itself. So let us keep it and take it. This is not rubber grip, but I will say the grip is like which comes in the shoes inner sole. This feels like literally like that. So I think we have to just assemble it. Yeah, like this. You can see there is a wedge in that. We have to match that. I think this. Yeah, like that. Just we have to take as this. But this is not going inside. Yeah, that's it. Next, we have to hit it hard. So this is the product itself, guys. I will say for the money it cost, it is a very reliable product, and I don't know about this grips yet, but the condition, the package condition was very bad, as you saw. And considering the price, I just paid around 200 rupees. For that 200 rupees, I think this is absolutely fine and perfect. And if we talk about the material quality, it is full ABS plastic, which means hard plastic. So okay, nothing to worry about that. But I have concerns about these grips, as these grips will turn away very quickly, so that we will have no grips. We should be very careful while performing in slopey areas like tiles and so. So that's it pretty much itself. These are the push-up bars. I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit that like button and feel free to subscribe. And also, if you have any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much.